Daily U.S. Aviation Impacts Briefing, December 7th, 2025. Good morning. Today's weather is shaped by a broad mid-latitude pattern, keeping the Pacific Northwest and northern Rockies active, while a weakening front drifts into the southeast and Florida. Two main regimes matter today: a moisture-rich southerly flow ahead of the front, producing convective showers and temporary low ceilings in the southeast and Florida, and a zonal to amplified Pacific flow across the west and northern tier, generating low clouds, coastal rain, and mountain turbulence. These patterns drive today's operational concerns: brief MVFR, IFR in the southeast, coastal low clouds in the west, and mechanical turbulence and lee-side wind shear across the Rockies. In the southeast, scattered to broken showers with embedded convection will develop from interior Gulf states into central and southern Florida as daytime heating and boundaries interact. Expect brief MVFR or IFR in heavier showers, gusty surface winds, and elevated cloud bases complicating approaches and departures. Dispatchers should monitor tempo changes in the Orlando-Miami corridor and Gulf approach paths, especially this afternoon as the front weakens. The Midwest and Great Lakes remain mostly VFR, though pockets of low-level moisture may cause temporary MVFR, particularly near the lakes. Chicago could see gusty southerly winds this afternoon, with limited convective potential. Central Rockies and adjacent plains will experience mountain wave turbulence and cross-mountain shear. Pilots should consider higher fuel reserves and altitudes that minimize exposure to rotor zones. West Coast operations will contend with maritime moisture and onshore flow. Northern California and the Bay Area face low clouds and stratocumulus producing MVFR into the afternoon. The Pacific Northwest will see steady rain, low ceilings, and strong winds affecting crosswinds at exposed terminals. Los Angeles and Southern California will have morning coastal stratus improving inland, but still producing gusty winds through mountain passes. Major metro hubs today will see impacts from timing and placement of showers and low clouds. Atlanta may experience scattered convective bursts and gusty surface winds affecting departure flows. Seattle and San Francisco face low ceilings and variable visibility in marine bands, while Denver must manage mountain wave and canyon turbulence that can degrade arrivals and departures. Temporary runway configuration changes and isolated convective holds in the southeast are the main operational concerns. To summarize, today is about localized rather than widespread impacts. The southeast and Florida have the highest risk for convection and temporary MVFR-IFR. The Rockies demand caution for mechanical turbulence, and coastal West Coast corridors manage low clouds and wind-driven turbulence. Keep routing flexible through afternoon convective windows, avoid mountain lee zones when possible, and plan for coastal low ceilings in Seattle and San Francisco. Coordinate with air traffic control and terminal meteorology for TAF updates and convective watches. Short field notes: Orlando/Miami. Early VFR, with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms developing this afternoon. Brief MVFR or tempo IFR possible in heavier cells. New York, Baltimore mostly VFR inland, with localized low clouds and reduced visibility near the coast. No organized convection expected. Chicago, mainly VFR to borderline MVFR with gusty southerly winds possible. Limited convective impacts, but monitor cloud-based drops. Denver, Mountain wave and lee turbulence remain the primary concern for cross-mountain flights. Avoid known rotor corridors when possible. Los Angeles, morning coastal stratus, lowering ceilings, improving inland. Expect standard crosswind and turbulence near passes. Atlanta, isolated to scattered convection with gusty surface winds could temporarily reduce arrival and departure rates. Seattle, onshore rain and low ceilings will keep approaches variable. MVFR conditions likely in heavier bands. San Francisco, morning low clouds and stratocumulus producing MVFR at coastal and bay terminals. Slow improvement inland as marine layer lifts.